Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have two freebies in this video, a lot of midweek magic, cookies in a cup for free, and turkeys as low as $3. I know a lot of us are really trying to stretch that old food budget, and a $3 turkey is a little bit of magic. If you guys could do me a huge favor before we dive into the deals, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel and the video to ensure that this doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. And if you're shopping later this week, put some of these deals on the list. Also, Dollar General is kicking off a week-long clearance event starting on the 14th, which is Friday tomorrow. Easy matchups. Even if you're a big pharmacy shopper, start shopping at the Dollar General for some of these freebies. And I just break it down in the easiest fashion. And also tonight, if you're a Walmart Plus member, you can go on the site and start scoring the Black Friday deals. For the rest of us, it's going to start 14th, 15th, and 16th. They even have a charcuterie platter that's made out of bamboo. If you want to show off at Christmas, you might want to check out this video. I break down the top 10 of my favorite deals. Now let's get into everybody's favorite. That is Walgreens. And do this deal in store because it's with IBOTTA. It is to grab these. I call them cookies in a cup because it's a cup. But here's the thing with that cup. Even if you don't like cookies, that would fit perfectly in a Christmas stocking. Do you agree? IBOTTA has $1.50 back for each, and you can do it of a limit of up to 5 times. And Walgreens is the second store listed. So grabbing 4 of these because they are 2 for $4 this week. 4 of them will be $8. Photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. It makes it 2 for $4 or 50 cents per cookies in a cup, and it has to be that Chips Ahoy one. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Deal I did was like a $3 or $4 moneymaker. It included 2 of these Gillette Clinicals, 2 sprays, and a single roll of paper towel. I'll show you the receipt in a second. Some stores have it marked on clearance, some stores don't. Doing it curbside is the easiest way because this deodorant is on a promotion of buy 4, get $8 back Walgreens cash curbside, but in-store it's not printing with the clearance stuff, so that's the snag. So with the Gillette Clinical, Fetch has a spend 16, get back 2,400 points, which is $2.40. And IBOTTA has $1 back for up to 3. So that's like $5.40 just with the apps. To show you my curbside receipt, I have 2 of the sprays and then 2 of the gel deodorants and then 1 roll of the big paper towels. That was exactly 15. I had a 5 off 2 for 1 of the deodorants. And then so I paid $10.37 with my debit card. And then I got back $13 in Walgreens cash, 5 for my booster, and 8 for buying 4 of those products. And then I got an additional $5 back from the rebate apps. Anyway, you slice the pie. This is a really good deal. I will link this matchup and breakdowns at the very end from yesterday's video if you want to check it out. Another super deal this week is with the Hello toothpaste. This is fluoride free, so if you are into the fluoride free toothpaste, I know a lot of us are, this is definitely a deal for you. We currently have a 4 off 2 digital coupon to go with this. Grabbing 2 of these toothpastes is 10. Subtracting that magic coupon, you're going to pay 6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per paste. It is okay to use Walgreens cash or register rewards if you're doing this deal with no booster, as long as it's not on the same promotion, but a way to stock up for some very inexpensive Hello toothpaste. We never see these prices for this specific product. Another great deal is the $5.99 soft soap. We have a $3.50 off a 2 digital coupon, $1.50 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8.48. Get back a $1.50 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2. Not the best deal, but if you think about these containers, they hold a lot of hand soap. I think it's a good deal when you look at the end of the day sort of thing. Again, if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay it down. But not a bad little one. And these are my register rewards. I obviously did my deals on 2 cards, so I had $13, just doubling these 2. And look, it looks like 2 tires went through my register rewards. So what I did was I found even more of the clearance Caribou coffee. So I got close to $13 here, probably a little bit over. My husband's absolute favorite coffee, so I did stock up on these just because $2.49, that's 75% off. It's usually like $10 for these 10 counts at Walgreens. So I am okay with that. So I grabbed 6 of these on clearance. They're either on hidden clearance or in the clearance section for $14.94. Get the cashier to scan every single barcode of every single box because I used 4 register rewards. If the cashier scans 1 and keys in 5, only 1 register reward will scan because that's called your line limit. 13 came off for me. I paid $1.94 and I call this a super deal. We're at Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, and now we're going to talk about cookies in a cup for free. Meijer doesn't have a sister store either. It's its own deal. So sorry if you don't have this store, but I know a lot of you are in the Midwest who specifically watch my channel. So what we're going to do for this one, again, double, triple check that the IBOTTA rebate is still there. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today. Link in the notes to start saving huge amounts of money. 5 of these cups will be $6.25. You'll photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $7.50 back, making it free plus a $1.25 moneymaker. Special shout out and thank you to Rolling Coupon Mom over on Instagram. She pointed this deal out this morning and she was, as always, right on the money with this Meijer deal. Another super deal courtesy of Rolling Coupon Mom on Instagram is to grab 2 of these You by Kotex. They were on a bottom shelf at the store I was at, and I swear to God, I almost like broke my knee trying to get to them. So just be careful when you're getting stuff on a bottom shelf. Sometimes you can crack a leg or something like that. We have this 3 off 2 coupon, basically making it completely for free. And I'm going to show you guys just throwing it into the shop and scan. Here it is. You can see it's free. And because this is feminine care in the state of Michigan, you don't even pay tax on this. So yeah, I would definitely be doing this deal as many times as you can. So if you have like 2 store cards, you can do it 2 times. But yeah, stock up on these pads. They're really fantastic. And another super deal this week is the 39-cent turkey. It has to be the Meijer brand, and it is 1 per store card. So if you think you're going to be slick and put 3 in your cart, you're going to start paying 49 cents per pound, which is still not bad. But one of them should ring up at 39 cents a pound, and it's automatic. You don't even need to load an MPerk. But I got a 17-pound turkey for $6.72, which is really fantastic. I'm going to be giving this to a family member who will really appreciate it. The deal gets a little sweeter at this grocery store, which is Family Fare. Again, if you're in the Midwest, you probably have this. I also know it's called Glenn's Market in certain regions. Check Family Fare, sister store in your area if you're in the Midwest. It is 32 cents a pound, and it's also buy one, get one free. So a 10-pound turkey would be what, $3.20 for 2, making it $1.50 per turkey. Mind blown. This one's until Saturday, November the 15th. If you have a Family Fare, time to stock up that deep freeze right now. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Definitely check out Walmart and Dollar General. All the fun starts on November the 14th, which is Friday. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.